How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here from the Jazz Tutorial YouTube channel, and welcome back. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in such a long time. It's actually been 7 months now since I posted the YouTube video, and you know there's something wrong when you go to upload a new video and you can't remember how to upload a video on YouTube, so that's what I just had. But I am planning a new series of videos. I want to do a question and answer series. So this is my invitation for you to leave a comment below this video with your question, and I'll do my best to answer it in an upcoming video. Now, I really want to focus on jazz piano for the next year. We're going to be really focusing on jazz, so if you have a jazz piano question, please post it below. Now, I do intend to use your question in the video as a screenshot, so I want to take a screenshot of the comment, which means it will display your channel name. So if you're happy for me to do that, then just go ahead and post your comment and you'll be featured in the video. However, if you don't want to be included in the video, just sign it anonymous, and I'll find another way to just type out the text myself, so it'll be completely anonymous. So with that said, please just go ahead, type out your music question. You can go ahead and type more than one if you have a couple, and I will do my best to answer your question in an upcoming YouTube video. Just hit the notification bell icon, you'll get notified as soon as I start posting again. So again, thank you for your patience. I hope you're doing well, I hope you're enjoying the fall season, and I can't wait to see you in an upcoming video. Alright, that's it for now, and I'll talk to you soon.